guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be opening Illumination Minions, The Rise of Gru. The Gru is the boy. He's the one that I don't know. I have this one. This is a second duplicate, so I decided to film it. Who would that? This is my sister. Yo, definitely.
The intruder. The real intruder.
Can I let her in? Okay. This is a minion box. This is a minion. We'll put him in. Shush! She's literally crying just because she wants. So here.
You want me to put the camera, change the focus to you? Focus on you? We are just filming the camera. The mirror, right? It's the mirror! It's the mirror! Which one is the real you?
What? Oops. Bye, guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.